What's up, everybody? Well, we have a zucchini still growing and growing a lot. We cut yesterday third cut. We have I'm cut already around 8, 9, 10, 11 and plus 6, 17 zucchinis. And look at that, how many we have. It's 4 right there, 3 right here. We have everywhere zucchini, everywhere. Look at that, everywhere, like there. This way, that way, it's everywhere. Yeah, it's a lot. Salad leaves still growing bigger and bigger. We're eating. This one, the eggplant, it's going. Just look at that, big already, going good, really good. I love it. It's really good. Look at that, flowers everywhere. Yeah, nice and beautiful.